Now let's have a look how you can query a gene set, a group of genes. For instance, in the context of a transcription factor analysis. Our interface allows you to query a single gene like a transcription factor itself, but also a gene set like the list of its predicted target genes. And this gene set can hold hundreds, even up to thousands of genes. So I will first run the single transcription factor expression itself, for instance, HLH1. Click Show UMAP, and there I can see that the HLH1 transcription factor gene is expressed in this cluster as well as in those as well. So now we can pick AU cell pre-compute below here in order to run a gene set. And this pre-computed gene set here that we made available here are covering a list of transcription factor motif, transcription factor target gene based on their motif on the promoters. For instance, the HLH1. So let's run it. Here, now you see this is the summary of the expression of the gene set of the HLH1 target genes, and you can see that the expression matched pretty well the clusters that we found to express HLH1 transcription factor itself. And the same way we've run here, or we can run transcription factor target gene prediction list, you also can run a collection of annotation. So this gene set, annotation gene set, contains the markers that were described and are available in Wormbase to be expressed in a given cell type or annotation, like M5 neuron. I can ask where are M5 neuron marker expressed. This way you can, if you want, verify or understand how we've done our annotation. For instance, here this cluster is probably M5 because that's where these marker genes are mostly expressed. And finally, our interface allows you to run a custom gene set. So I will pick AU cell custom. Now this box is dgrade, and this box, in this box you can enter your own gene set of interest. For instance, say I'm going to test the family of fat gene for fatty acid synthesis, synthetase, FAT4 and FAT5. So now the UMAP will summarize the expression of these 5 genes, and I can see that they are specifically expressed in hypodermis, stem cells, glia, and a few other clusters.